Hope area of triangle is clear to you. Now we are moving to one more topic, that is centroid of a triangle. So before knowing what is the formula for writing the centroid of a triangle, first we should know what is centroid there. So if we are drawing a triangle ABC, it will be easy if I will explain you with the help of diagram there. Triangle ABC. If you want, you can write down the definition also. Centroid of a triangle is the intersection points of all the medians. All the median means the line segment joining vertex A to the midpoint of BC. So suppose D, and here I am taking the midpoint as E and this one as F. So when we will join AD, BE and CF. So their intersection point where these three medians intersect each other, that point is called the centroid of a triangle, and centroid is denoted by the letter G. You can write down the definition. Centroid of a triangle is the intersection points of its medians. Again I am repeating, centroid of a triangle is the intersection points of the medians and it is denoted by the letter G. Written, centroid of a triangle is the intersection points of the medians and it is denoted by the letter G. It is denoted by G and it divides the medians. Which divides? G. G divides the medians in the ratio 2:1. G divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Written? Okay. Now we will check what will be the formula here. A x1 comma y1, D x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3. And what will be the coordinate of D? Just I am showing you how we are deriving the formula there. What will be the coordinate of D? D is the midpoint of BC. So what will come? Here it will be equal to x2 plus x3 by 2. Similarly, y coordinate will be equal to y2 plus y2 plus y3 by 2. Now as we said, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So at present I think it is not clear to you. If I am drawing the diagram here in this way, we have A whose coordinate is x1 comma y1 and we have D whose coordinate is x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2, and we have a point G which divides AD in the ratio 2:1. So in this way we will check what will be the coordinate of D. How we are doing? 2 will be multiplied by x2 plus x3 by 2. Correct? We will get the x coordinate in this way only by multiplying the x coordinate with the opposite side. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what will come? x2 plus x3 and here 1 into x1. So we will add all these. So what will come? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2. If it is not clear to you, once again I am writing here using, I am rubbing the diagram now. Here we have the point A whose coordinate is given x1 comma y1, and we have the point D whose coordinate we got x2 plus x3 by 2 and y coordinate we got y2 plus y3 by 2. And as we wrote in the definition, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Now we will check what will be the x coordinate and y coordinate of G. So using section formula, what will come? X is equal to 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2. 2 into x coordinate plus 1 into x coordinate by 1 plus 2. So here what will come? 2 and 2 will get cancelled there. x2 plus x3 plus x1 by 3. So we are getting the x coordinate as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2. Similarly, y coordinate will be equal to 2 will be multiplied by y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 in this way cross by 1 plus 2. So again 2 and 2 will get cancelled here. We will get here y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Not here. 1 plus 2 is 3. So centroid coordinates will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. And y coordinate will be equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. What is x1, y1? These are the vertices of a triangle. So using this formula we can calculate the centroid of the triangle. So now we can do some questions there. It is written, find the coordinates of centroid of a triangle whose vertices are given. Suppose A 0, 6, B 8, 12 and C 8, 0. So here only we can write, suppose this one is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We know the formula coordinate of centroid denoted by the letter G. So first suppose we are directly you can write there. G is equal to, what was the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. So x1 0 plus x2 8 plus x3 divided by 3. Similarly y coordinate y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So 8 plus 8 16 by 3, and here 12 plus 6 will be equal to 18 and 18 by 3 is equal to 6. This question, normally these questions not asked there, but in the question it is there. Just write down what is the formula for centroid of a triangle. So sometimes if question asked, you should know how to find out the centroid of a triangle. One more question we will do. Now in this question, two vertices of a triangle are given and its centroid is given, and we have to find the third vertex there. As you can check, vertices of a triangle are given 3, minus 5, 3, minus 5, minus 7, 4, and third one not given, that we have to calculate there. So third one taken as x, y, and coordinate of its centroid is given 2, minus 1. We know this one we can take as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. What is the formula for centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. And what is the x coordinate of our centroid is given? That is 2. So we'll write here it is equal to 2. Now in place of x1 what we have? 3. In place of x2 we have minus 7. So we are substituting the value now. 3 minus 7 plus x by 3 is equal to 2. Again, don't do the mistake of cancelling these 3. Here it is addition and subtraction. So you cannot cancel. What we can do, we can shift 3 to right hand side. 3 minus 7 will be equal to minus 4 plus x is equal to 3 2s are 6. So what will come? X is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. So we got x is equal to 10. In the same way, we'll write down what will be the y coordinate of the third vertex there. So again formula is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. And what we have, the y coordinate of our centroid is minus 1. Substitute the value. In place of y1 we have minus 5, y2 is 4. So plus 4 plus y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Minus 5 plus 4 will be equal to minus 1 plus y is equal to minus 3, or y is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that will be equal to minus 2. So we can write down the third vertex is 10, minus 2. Write down the answer. The third vertex is 10 comma minus 2. So hope the method is clear to you. First is area of triangle we studied today. Area of triangle is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. And if the points are collinear, area of triangle will be equal to 0. And then coordinate of centroid. Centroid is the intersection points of median, and it is denoted by the letter G. To derive the formula only I explained you. Median divides it in the ratio 2:1, and using that formula we got the coordinate of centroid as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y coordinate as y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So hope the method is clear to you. You all can solve the questions now. Your homework will be equal to exercise 7.3. Homework is exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3, and in exercise 7.4 you can do exercise 7.3 all questions. Exercise 7.4 I am giving you the question which is related to area there. In exercise 7.4 you can do the question number 2 and question number 6. Question number 2 and question number 6. So exercise 7.3 all question, exercise 7.4 question number 2 and 6. 7.4 it is written optional, but don't think that questions cannot come, because mostly in board examination questions are coming from optional exercise also. If it is there in NCERT textbook, you should do it. Thank you.